Babe, oo nga pala. May tanong ako.
Ngayon,
Since nauna kang matulog, tapos napapansin ko, lagi kang pinagpapawisan ng sobra. Like, sobrang basa, babe. Parang kang naliliko.
talaga?
Pag ginahawakan ko yung unan mo, basang-basa ka mo.
Really?
Yes. Tapos pinupunasan ko lagi yung noo mo, babe. Sobrang basa ng towel. You okay pa?
Yeah, that's... Remember I told you I was undercover before?
Yeah.
Ano kasi yung isang...
No.
Dapat check-in day lang namin. Eh, kaso kumalat sa base na may spy daw kuno. And they didn't announce anything. None of the generals announced anything. But pinatawag ako. Or I think pinatawag kami one by one. Mind you, I walked away fine, but when I walked into, there was like a small pool of water. Look, you know I love swimming, right? But that day, I don't know. It's called waterboarding. It's pretty much when they drown you to just as a means of torture, you know. And like I told you, I walked away fine. Dala mo naman ako.
Ikaw pa ba? Okay.
But